Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made barbecue ribs in the Ninja Foodi. Let's get this video started.
Christopher David Lawson of Nepal.
Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how I cook barbecue ribs in this Ninja Foodi. As you can see here on the box, it's a pressure cooker and it's an air fryer. It's a really nice item. My wife and I picked it up at Walmart. I'll show you how I did ribs. And then afterwards I'll tell you if the ribs were any good or not, how close it is to actual barbecue ribs. Let's go ahead and check out what I did for my recipe of these barbecue ribs.
How do you like your ribs?
How's it taste, motherfucker? Huh?
Alright everyone, that was the Ninja Foodi, how I made barbecue ribs. And as far as the taste go, the taste was absolutely delicious. You saw the recipe I used. You can use whatever recipe you like to use when you make barbecued ribs. As far as comparing it to real ribs, going to a real rib shack, doing them the old-fashioned way, it's pretty close. It's not quite the same, but this only takes an hour total to have ribs. If you're in a hurry, you want to make ribs, and you don't want to spend the whole day smoking or doing whatever you do. This is an excellent system to do that. It works really well. So I highly recommend, if you want to do ribs or anything else in the Ninja Foodi, go ahead and get yourself one now. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Bye for now.